Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program a Ford Expedition key fob. We'll explore two primary methods to get your new or replacement fob working seamlessly with your vehicle. Before you begin, it's crucial to gather all existing and new key fobs, as they often need to be programmed together. Also, ensure your vehicle's battery is fully charged to prevent any interruptions. Let's get started with the first method. For the manual remote programming method, first, get into your Ford Expedition and ensure all doors are firmly closed. Next, insert your key into the ignition and rapidly turn it from the off to the run position 8 times. You must complete this sequence within 10 seconds, making sure the 8th turn ends in the run position. The door locks will then cycle, indicating you've entered programming mode. Immediately press any button on each key fob you wish to program within 8 seconds. If you have 2 already programmed keys, you can program a new transponder key. Insert the first working key into the ignition, turn it to run for at least 3 seconds, then off. Remove it. Within 10 seconds, insert the second working key, turn to run for at least 3 seconds, then off. Remove it. Finally, insert your new, unprogrammed key within 10 seconds, turn it to run for at least 6 seconds, then off. The vehicle will then recognize the new key. After completing the programming, it's essential to test every key fob to confirm full functionality. Verify that the lock, unlock, and panic buttons all work correctly for each fob. If any key fob isn't working as expected, simply repeat the programming steps from the beginning, paying close attention to the timing and sequence. Remember, if you only have one working key and need to program a new transponder, a locksmith or dealership may be required for assistance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.